We got the tie-dye Chevy truck racing the black 370Z. Oh, too far, Z. Come on back. Move it on back, Z. Move it on back. Go back a little bit. Z, go back a little bit. There you go. Look at you. You did it. Come on up now, Z. Turn on 2. 1, 2. There you go. Look at that. Almost by yourself. Tie-dye truck out front, but it look like it's getting lapped. Yep, the tie-dye truck got lapped spinning.